reviews.
It has multiple uses. If you want to take a nap, you can always just lay on it too. So whatever you want. This is my Manduka meditation cushion. It is specific for meditations and support with poses and stretches. The difference between this cushion and just a regular old pillow that you might find at home, this has little beads in it that is going to help you really adjust it exactly where you need for your personal body. If you just grab a pillow off of your couch or your bed, when you sit on it, it's probably just gonna crease down wherever you're sitting and it's not really gonna move with you. So this cushion is really good for really supporting you exactly where you need to be to get the full effects of meditation and stretches as well. When you are investing in a product that you are going to be using often, especially with fitness, it's super important to pick a good brand that you know is going to back you up so you don't end up having to buy 5 or more in a few years. So this is something that you can keep with you for a long time. I have had this one for years now, seriously, and it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it's a little worn, but it's still holding up perfectly. There's no tears, there's no holes. It's been washed multiple times, and it really just never ends up giving me any issues. And it also has a little handle so you can travel with it, take it on all your little meditation journeys, which is super fun.